Pequeclips. What are the letters? Hi, Anna here. Let's talk about the letters. The letters are the pieces we need to create words. Like a puzzle. The family of letters is called alphabet. Each letter has its own shape and sound, and when they get together with other letters, they form words. That's how we create words like Anna, Mema, and sun. Within the big family of letters, there are two groups, the vowels and the consonants. The vowels are 5 and sound like music. A, E, I, O, U. The consonants are less fun and sound like noise, like S. It may be a bit confusing at first, but we'll learn little by little and having fun. For now, remember, to create words, we need letters. Letters have different shapes and sounds. Vowels sound like music. Consonants sound like noise, but they get along. See you next time! With Pequelitos, reading is effortless and fun.